Abusia police ni ya owo miskin yitu ato atwi wa wohwe sede omosi ahodu no na ne tu atwi de mu odin na ade na waye ade na eko nyabotere me beyi bibia wo sa show so ama wide den ama wahunu bi dwumade eye 3 in 1 news na Mr. Before aye beko policeman yi ensem emu deep no wahu yenhwe ensenkyereme a obi nso aya me no kase ne to aye den atwi yes aye chese Ghana High Commission ni dan a ewo Nigeria. Ghana High Commission a chesebusia ewo Nigeria say man arrested for attempting to sell property belonging to Ghana's High Commission in Nigeria. Abusia Nigeria for the ade omuntimi nya no na it means say saade no exist ewo chesebusia ewiase mu yenkan de efa edanya anase property a eye Ghana Commission dia anka obi ekoto amene okase wo mo ache no yankan emunsam embra like video na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe abusia de wo mu nyina nie eye Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa na wodi emunsam aba eye edanya eye Ghana High Commission wo mo dan anka obi ekoton ewo Nigeria no ose we got him Bright Mensah Bonsu, the man who received 1.5 million US dollars cash and signed document purporting to sell a prime diplomatic property belonging to Ghana's High Commission in Nigeria has finally been arrested by Ghanaian security operatives. Bright Mensah Bonsu describes himself as a special aide to the former Ghana High Commissioner to Nigeria. The late Alhaji Rashid Bawa, who was appointed by President Akufo-Addo, abusia na chese na na domo afiri su nyina no still omkrofo guso ebo adwuma. It is important to emphasize that the 1.5 million USD cash was not paid into government accounts. Neither is there any record at the Ministry of the Foreign Affairs that the cash was officially declared. Documents revealed that Bright Mensah Bonsu and his collaborators had valued the prime Lagos beachfront diplomatic property at 5.3 million USD and considered the 1.5 million USD payment as the first installment. The outcome of the 2024 elections must have thwarted their plans. We are also investigating the circumstances under which Bright Mensah Bonsu was issued a diplomatic passport on October 18, 2023 by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, when from all assessment he could not have been eligible for a diplomatic passport. Diplomatic passport here saying sakodiem ewo bi ne de enye sakodiem nko o kire sei nkrofo mu wo bi o mo didi nkwasi asem no esewani na yankan de eko nyinai. Say Bright Mensah Bonsu was not a staff of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs or the Ghana High Commission in Nigeria, even though he was often seen in the company of the Ghana High Commissioner. As we await criminal prosecution shortly, it would be interesting to see how Mr. Mensah Bonsu backs his claims that he acted on the instructions of his superiors and that those superiors gave him access to documents on the diplomatic property. The latest significant development should send clear assurances to Nigerian government officials and the Nigerian attempted buyer who have all desperately petitioned the Mahama government demanding our intervention that consistent with us demanding our intervention that consistent with what we have always said. We take this matter very seriously and will do everything in our power to bring the notorious criminals to justice and recover the 1.5 million USD. Omo recover the way. Omo recover money ko baby. Abusia. The Mahama administration would not shield anyone or will not shield anyone who played a role in this grand conspiracy, not only to commit crime but to dent Ghana's enviable international image. The government of Ghana is equally determined not to allow this condemnable incident to mar our great and ancestral bilateral relation with Nigeria. We promised that justice will be done. We are keeping our word. Let me state for the umpteenth time, no diplomatic property belonging to the people of Ghana is for sale. Severe consequences await anyone who test our resolve. Abusia, we aya die okujeto abla kwanso de den wodi aba abontin said omuse ye unim wabla jedniam aya president no omutunton bia jedniam aya chese aban properties bebre ana aya Ghana dia obeti yes yaton ade ama private entity we yaton ade ama we aya chese government omo plans omo faso ade emeki sika abusia yankosha police ni ya wo ahodu nu ye like video na share na afoforo enya bi enhye yanhye omo video no embra na ye ba share de eye den enkonyi na like na share na afoforo enya bi enhye Abusia de nyina ne say the police ni aye enya enye known yes na de tell so mu video no na aba abontin ya wo hwe stadium si ahodu no na enye obi ene said the ono akasa calm down the voice ene bibia na omu de so omu dos wo mejimi emomo mburu ntinya kodom na wo be ye na wo say wo ye innocent ene en wade ade but wo hwe said the normal sikika kona utimu se aja wadi nkwasa asem light one bi na amafo atwa hia ne ho a omo percent omo discipline no what ase yes ye follow de ye benya ewo mu bia no ye de bebrem ewo ye ne platform yi eso na mesramo before aye be sorry so no mesramo ye fa we enwo so emamwo idie wunia spirito wo ye ne ho ewo ha sei yes baby na baby ombeko bia no na omo show gangalia things.
You don't know how to think about yourself.
Abusia, yes, you pull say, what no think about yourself. Yes, or see, if you don't know how to think about yourself according to you pull. Was more adwene da mutirimo no aya mo hunu de mo de beye chese ansa adwene no atabusia chese totally empty de woso ayentokwa wasem saafo no momfa sa adwene na adwene mo ote ho na wa imagine o head to toe say entimi so me nipa ni entimi so yebumi enti wose fa sa adwene no fa adwene wo ho na munja chese jimisam ne anwade ade no according to you pull abusia we any the HGU amazing aka you talk too much. Mima was so at be subscribe to your channel for updates na me fa wo in see ahase